Today, we'll explore how to explore LUT-based mood creation in Photoshop. Start by opening your image and thinking about the emotional tone you want to communicate. Mood always begins with intention. Add a color lookup adjustment layer and browse through LUT presets slowly. As you click each option, observe how shadows, highlights, and overall atmosphere shift. Choose one that best matches your intended feeling, whether it's dramatic, calm, nostalgic, or vibrant. Reduce opacity to blend the effect naturally with the original image. Mood grading should feel immersive, not overpowering. Duplicate the LUT layer and change its blending mode to color to refine tone without affecting contrast.